I believe this next move that we're going to see in the crypto market is going to be a surprising one. It's going to catch a lot of people flat-footed, just as people get lulled into complacency and they're trying to decide which way things are going to head. We're going to get an announcement that frankly may trigger the market into buying. Now, this isn't a guarantee. Nobody knows what's going to happen for sure, but we got another piece in this series of good news yesterday. And in fact, some people are even talking about potentially $8 for XRP coming in the not so distant future. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So I have to say over the last, several days here, XRP has just been trying to find support, trying to nestle in and say, hey, is this where we plant our feet and start to surge to the upside? And it's done a very good job of it so far. I want to rewind and just look back here again. XRP continues to hold this 20-week moving average. Beautiful bounce off of that. That would have been a great spot to accumulate if you were looking to do so. But right now, XRP is still kind of floating around its 618 level, trying to see if, maybe we go down and potentially test $1.95. But right now, the market has calmed down in a big way. And in fact, what we're seeing from BTC is the exact levels of resilience we need to see. We closed our candle in structure yesterday. We're back above our 200-day moving average. Perfect. Stay there, maybe build a little bit to the upside, and we can potentially see XRP start working its way up once again. Now, are some analysts that are talking about potentially $8 coming down the line here. And in fact, when we look at our fib retracement levels, that is within the realm here, right? That is all the way up at our 2618 line. It's going to take a little bit of time to get there. Understand that. We still have our 1618 line up at about a 5.25. That's going to probably be the next place that XRP tries to stop. But it all depends on what type of news do we get, right? Is it a digital asset stockpile? Is it no tax on US-based crypto? Or is it simply just the conclusion of the Ripple v. SEC case? Now, I've been talking about this a lot as of late because the signs continue to point closer or towards this being closer and closer and closer. And in fact, yesterday we had another dropped case. So Gemini co-founder Cameron Winklevoss has confirmed that the SEC has dropped its case against the crypto exchange Gemini. Guys, these are happening with more and more and more frequency. What's that, like 6 in the last week? I mean, this is a very consistent theme. And I think we are very much headed towards crypto embrace. And the second we start to see this big overhaul in the SEC, we're probably going to get that news dropped that this case is in fact over, that the appeal is done. What do we think is going to happen for XRP at that point? Is that going to be a sell the news event, or is it going to be a buy the news event? I really want people to look back at the last several times we have gotten news like this. So for example, back here in November, we had this announcement of we had Trump winning the election here in the US. That was, we obviously knew he was a pro crypto entity, and that was big for the industry, and we started running. Then we had the announcement of potentially no taxes on US-based cryptos. That's a big thing for XRP, right? Big thing for Ripple in general. Okay, rewind even further. If we go back to, 2023, you guys remember when we first had the ruling in the Ripple v. SEC case that XRP was not an unregistered security? In a day, we saw XRP run almost 100%. So now that we've been, now that we've gone through all this time and all these series of good events, all these big announcements, what do we think the thing is going to be that really causes XRP to make that next move? The final cherry on top of the sundae, the thing that will send XRP to new heights, is the conclusion of this case, because people are excited. People, if you haven't noticed, the sellers have been exhausted across the space. It doesn't mean you can't face more downside, but we're facing less and less and less resistance as time goes on. People are picking up more and more and more positions for the long haul and are unwilling to sell. This is where XRP can enter price discovery. It's where it can set a new all-time high. And this is where, frankly, we can start approaching blow-off tops around the space. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I think that this announcement may be just weeks away. Maybe it's even closer at the rate that we're going, but I want to hear your thoughts. When do you think that we're going to get this announcement that the SEC is backing out of this appeal? Do you think this is going to have a major impact on XRP price? Are we going to head towards that $8 price point? So appreciate you guys as always. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.